blocked nose, heavy head, constant sneezing. Every spring, in Ayurveda, it is said that Kapha increases in the spring season and all the mucus that builds up during the winter starts to melt. That's why congestion, sinus issues and allergies get worse. And the treatment in Ayurveda for this is Nasya Therapy. In this therapy, the medicated Ayurvedic oil is generally administered through the nostrils. It works directly on your nasal passages, helps in clearing out the mucus, reduce blockage and provide relief from that heavy feeling in your head. It also helps with headaches and sinus pressure, and over the time supports your body in handling allergies better. Regular Nasya helps strengthen your nasal passages and reduce sensitivity to seasonal allergies. So friends, if you want a proper spring reset and relief from seasonal allergies, visit us and book your consultation at Gayatri Ayurveda for Nasya Therapy.